You know you're all that I adore. I thought that we'd never part, but then the new boy who moved next door has stolen away your heart. But I'll always love you, I'll always be true. And I know you'd cry a tear if you only knew how my heart will yearn, how I'll cry each night, how I'll wait for your return so I can kiss and hold you tight. I want to love you, to sit and hold you each night. You promised you'd be true, darling, it just isn't right. But I'll always love you, and I hope and pray that you might change your mind and come back to me someday.